Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching this video from. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be updating you on what is happening in Anambra State today, being 5th November 2021, ahead the 6th November Anambra governorship election that will be holding tomorrow, 6th November 2021. Please, if at the end of this video you find this video interesting, kindly like and share, and also remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and press the notification bell in order not to miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading, especially as it regards to this Anambra governorship election, because I'll be giving to you the up-to-date activities on what is happening in Anambra State as regards to the Anambra State governorship election. So I know you wouldn't like to miss any of the gist that will be coming to you from this channel. So kindly subscribe and press the notification bell in order to be the first person to get notified anytime I upload new videos. So back to the gist. Anambra State is completely shut down. Anambra State, the streets of Anambra State is completely deserted today, being 5th November 2021, for fear of unknown, despite the IPOB, that is the Indigenous People of Biafra, having cancelled the 1-week sit-at-home order that was earlier announced. It is no longer news that the Anambra State governorship election will be holding tomorrow, be 6th November 2021. And as a result of that, there will be a lot of tensions going on in Anambra State because of the activities of what have been happening in Anambra State, from the activities of the unknown gunmen and the heavily armed military personnel that were deployed in Anambra. Over 14,000 military personnel that have been deployed in Anambra ahead of the Anambra State governorship election. As a result of that, people have been living in fears and have decided to stay indoors, despite IPOB having called off the 1-week sit-at-home. It could be recalled that the Indigenous People of Biafra have announced before now that there will be 1-week sit-at-home in Anambra State and the entire southeast, starting from 5th November 2021 to 10th November 2021 in the whole of Anambra State and the entire southeast. If by 4th November 2021 their leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not being released, and of which will definitely affect the Anambra State governorship election that will be holding on 6th November 2021. So yesterday, being 4th November 2021, the Media and Publicity Secretary to Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, have officially cancelled the 1-week sit-at-home order through press release made available to the newsmen, stating that the reason they cancelled it was because of the intervention of their leaders and elders and their traditional rulers, and the appeal made by their mothers who earn their livings through their daily economic activities, of which if the entire southeast is being shut down for 1 week, it will actually affect their cost of living. So because of that, they have decided to cancel the 1-week sit-at-home in order not to inflict pains and hardship to southeasterners and us Anambarians to go out there and cast their vote and make sure that their vote counts, stating that no form of rigging will be tolerated in the Anambra gubernatorial election. Even at that, having said that, people are still observing the 1-week sit-at-home. You will not believe this. The whole of Anambra State is completely shut down. If you go to Awka, these are pictures taken from Awka. Awka is completely shut down. Nobody is out there in the street. It's only the military personnel that are walking around and patrolling within Awka metropolis. The same thing in Onitsha. Onitsha is completely shut down as no activities is going on in Onitsha and Anambra State, and also some neighboring states are also observing the sit-at-home order, despite that the sit-at-home order has been officially cancelled by the IPOB. People are actually observing it for fear of unknown, because nobody knows the real IPOB, the way things are going, the activities that are going in the southeast. Some people are allegedly saying that there are different versions of the IPOB, and no one knows the actually IPOB that cancelled the 1 week sit at home. So for them to be a safe side, that decided to stay indoor, to be in their homes, while some other persons have traveled out of Anambra State for fear of unknown and insecurity. The question is, with the way things are going in Anambra State and this kind of shutdown or lockdown in Anambra State, will Anambra State governorship elections still hold tomorrow? Will people come out to vote, to cast their vote? If you are in Anambra State or within Anambra State, or you are an Anambra indigene within Anambra State, will you come out to cast your vote tomorrow? Let me know your opinion in the comment section. With the way things are going, do you think that people will actually exercise their right by going out to cast your vote? Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and share, and also remember to subscribe and press the notification bell in order not to miss any of the videos that I will be uploading. See you next in our next video. Bye.